Everybody, here's a quick video on how to do your Desmos activity. I've already went and clicked on the link for student.desmos.com and it takes you to a site that looks like this. All you have to do is enter the code for this activity, which was NAKUY5, and then click join. Don't worry about signing in with any account. You can also just continue with signing in. Please use your first and last name, that way I know exactly who you are and you can get credit for this activity. So let's talk a little bit about what you'll be doing in this activity. This first one says time for some target practice. Change the numbers in the table below so that the point hits the bullseye. Currently we see the point being at 5, 1. So on my x-axis we would go 5, 1. That's exactly where the point is. But I want it to be somewhere over here, in the red area. So, let's try and change a few numbers. So I see that this red area is here at my y-axis of about 6. And then if I go down, we can say maybe about 2. So let's try that out. For 2, 6. Oops, 6. So we see that the point moved now to the placement of 2, 6, and it is within that red dot. Your job is to try and figure out, are there any other points that we could use that are within this red dot? Note that you can also use decimals or fractions for this problem. Note that in the last problem we saw our coordinates being put into a table. Now you're going to see them just as a coordinate pair, using the parentheses and your commas to separate the numbers for x, comma, y. So this target practice number 4 says we can also use a coordinate pair to hit the bullseye. Update the numbers below so that the point hits the target. So right now, my point is 2, 2, because on my x-axis it's at 2, on my y-axis it's also at 2. Now I want this point to be in the red dot again. It looks here like I would travel to -3 and then maybe -2. So let's try that out. I do my parentheses at -3, comma, -2. And it's right there in the red dot. So when you're trying out this activity, try to look for if there are any other possibilities, like using decimals.